주세요. Got blueberry and strawberry swirl. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I like this picnic mat so much too. It's so cute. I want to take it home. But we can't because we don't have any more room. Look at the clouds over there.
I want to make sandcastle, but I don't want to get out of here.
Now when I don't know where to start, you tear me apart, but in the best way. 'Cause every time you talk and tell me, I can't comprehend a word that you say. It's like my brain is stuck on you.
That's attracted the bird. Oh my god, they're all coming over here. Oh my gosh, you
take away the pressure, pull me from the undertow, and I wanna be in your world. Tell me where I need to go, 'cause you put the beat in my heart.
We can wake up late tomorrow.
just chill.
Yes. Doing nothing but chilling. Going to do new city and going out to chill.
This is our new Airbnb for Ulsan. We got a microwave down there, a kettle, electric kettle, stuff, disinfectant spray, my mask. Checkout is 12. Oh, Wi-Fi password right there. It's a very nice place, very clean, very spacious as compared to our last place in Busan, and much cheaper. But then again, nobody really travels to Ulsan. There's the kitchen. There's no washer though, but it's okay because things are nice. Even the bathroom is clean, and I definitely appreciate a nice, clean bathroom.
It's nice, man. I like it.
The floor feels super nice.
Right? Like even the carpet's so soft.
Bed is spacious too. This is the biggest bed we've had. They even gave us a whole 2-liter water bottle. So nice. Oh, they even gave us a goodie bag. Oh my gosh, how cute. There's a razor, chopsticks, toothbrushes, toothpaste. How nice. This is so sweet. 5-star. So we went back to the place where I got the 2 pop socket good tucks from like 2 days ago, and I picked up these socks because they were super cute. They were 1,500 each, so like $1 each. Super cute. There were a lot of cute ones, but I only let myself get 2 because I seriously do not have any more room, and I really don't need any more socks. But these were cute, so I got these because I don't have any white socks that I like this. I don't have any white socks that are just like plain in general, but yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh my god, he actually curled hair! Oh my god!
Thai, obviously.
Let's get chicken and pizza. Yeah, and then go home and watch a movie. Yes. Hi guys, it is currently Monday, June 27th, 2:40 to 50 p.m. It is super rainy, which is sad, but it's okay because we didn't really plan to do much anyways, except visit the University of Ulsan because Newton wants to see it. There's not really much to do in Ulsan, but we're here and we're just walking around. Our place is really nice though, and it's super rainy, so we're just gonna go back to our place after we tour the university a bit, walk around the university. Oh my god, it's raining so much. And just watch a movie tonight because our place is really nice and the TV is really nice, so we're just gonna stay in and watch a movie. But yeah, we're walking to Daiso right now to get an umbrella or raincoat because it's super rainy. There it is. University of Ulsan. Ulsan Daehacho.
I would have been here if not for Sneha.
It is very big, much bigger than Seoul. All the bamboo trees are over there, so we're gonna walk through and just look, I guess. Very pretty. It's not a whole forest, but I mean, still pretty. So we're at Mom's Touch right now. We just got pizza from Pizza Hut, and then we walked back 15 minutes to Mom's Touch because Mom's Touch is like not right by, but like another 10-minute walk from our place, but like going in the direction of our place. But anyways, we're getting some chicken right now because we wanted pizza and chicken, but Gumne is like a 30-minute walk from here. So we decided to just go with Pizza Hut and Mom's Touch, and we haven't tried the chicken itself from Mom's Touch, and I'm really excited because their chicken looks really good. So yeah, we're just sitting here and waiting, and then we're gonna go home, eat our food because we haven't eaten all day, and watch a movie. I'm excited. I just need to edit more. Tiny Tan.
You are always busy. When do you edit stuff?
We got Tiny Tan over there, so. Brand sponsorship. Just kidding, but Mom's Touch, best thing ever. They have chicken, they have burgers, they have fries, they have the bulky. I don't even remember the name of what we got, but it's something curry, and I hope it's good because we both have never tried it. Wow, it looks really good. Oh, I think there's crab in it. Pineapple. We love pineapple on pizza. This is the chicken. So yummy! I'm excited. Best fries. Oh, that's so good.
It's good. It's nice. You want me to?
We should. Oh, I don't even have my eyebrows on. Ah! Hello, it is currently 2:02, Tuesday, June 28th, and we are at Ulsan Station right now, waiting for the KTX to go back to Seoul. We have about 2 hours because that was the next available train. So yeah, we're just sitting here. It's really hot, but we're just sitting here for the next 2 hours until we can go. So woohoo! Pound cakes. Fluffy.
What is that name? Fluffy.
Yeah. Should I get something? It all looks so good. Oh my god. There's this, which is native yeast condensed milk cream bread. Okay, I'm going back to the dorms right now to pick up my BTS album. Oh my goodness. But it suddenly started raining really hard and I don't have an umbrella. Hopefully this doesn't last long, because if it does I'm gonna cry because I really don't have an umbrella right now and I don't know how I'm gonna go back without an umbrella. So, it is raining so hard. What the frick? Also, the weather app says that it wasn't going to rain until 11 tonight. Or 9, 10, 11 tonight. And now it's saying it's not raining right now, but why is it raining so hard right now? What the frick? How long am I going to have to stand here? I came all the way here for nothing. I'm going back now because it's still raining. It's not raining as hard anymore, but I don't know. I'll just come tomorrow with an umbrella because I don't know if it's gonna like start raining like super hard again in like the next half hour. So I'm just gonna go home. Update, just got gongcha, literally carrying 2 drinks with just my pinky right now, but I'm going to go pick my album up from Minsu right now. I got her a boba as well. I don't know what flavor she likes though, but so I just got strawberry because that's my favorite. But yeah, I'm gonna give this to her because as a thank you for keeping my album safe. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick that up right now. The Pali milk tea?
Yes.
Oh.
Ginger spices. My favorite kind.
Oh, okay.
I don't need to do that.
Oh, Việt Nam cơm phở. Đi xa văn phòng lạnh. Currently going to the hotel where our other luggages are at right now. Oh, and Am Quan. Oh my god, there's so many Vietnamese places around here. This is probably like the international area because a lot of Vietnamese. I'm so thankful for them. Oh my god, my luggage weighs like probably like 40 kilos each. Update, still trying to get a taxi and it's raining so much and taxis? No, taxis? No. None of them are stopping. But like also there's like no taxis around this area, which is really sad. Ugh. Yeah. Chicken here is expensive overall though.
That is true though.
This looks so good.
Oh my god, I know.
Oh, cheese fries. Crunchy cheese fries with almond on top. Oh. Oh my god, look at it. Oh, it looks so good. They even gave us gloves. 1 glove, but it's okay. Oh. Also, we have water in beer cups because we don't drink beer. Oh, so yummy. I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
Gorgeousness. We have umbrellas now. Ah. Okay, which way should we walk? Just finished dinner and now we're just gonna walk around. It's much nicer because we actually have umbrellas to protect us from the rain now. But it looks so pretty with all the glowing lights as well. So yeah. We're walking without a destination.